What's going on, everybody? Felix here, and today we're going to take the ECU out of the twin turbo Supra because I had somebody reach out to me, JDMDRE, who actually sold me my Supra, asking if he could borrow my ECU to troubleshoot another car that he has in the same kind of model, automatic, left-hand drive, twin turbo, and he's trying to fix this car. So it's going to be a paperweight for a little bit, but that's okay because it's raining outside, and I don't like to take it out during the rain because I don't trust these out-of-state people who give Texans a bad name about driving. So we're going to go ahead and go step by step on how to remove it. This is my first time doing this. So if I make a mistake or if y'all see an easier way of doing it, please comment down below. And speaking of which, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get to removing it. Okay, so first, if it's not already obvious, pop the hood. Alright, since we got the hood open now, since we're doing anything electronic, we always got to disconnect the battery from the car. So let's go ahead and do that now. With the bright light blinding me right now, we take off the terminals. You already know how to do that, so I'm not going to bore you with all of it. Mine in particular, take a 10mm, and we just loosen these up, and then we just we take them off. All right, next we get into the passenger side of the vehicle, and then underneath the carpet lies the ECU. So we're going to go ahead and remove some of the carpet from the back, and let's get to that ECU. All right, so once you pull the carpet back, you're going to come with 2 screws down here for the cover, and we're going to go ahead and just take those off. Alright, so there's a nice view of the ECU. It is held down by another bolt, it looks like. So it looks like we have one more right here, and then we have another one right here, and then these should just clip right off. You like with this clip right here, we just take those right off, and you see you got a fuel cut defender here. And let's go ahead and take care of that next. Okay, so we got one. Now we gotta do the other one. Okay, so I have to grab my little pick out and go ahead and just pry that out. Oh, sorry guys. All right, done. All right, just like that, the Supra ECU is out of the car. Fairly easy process. We're gonna go ahead and send this off to Dre in Florida, and then he'll do his thing to troubleshoot whatever he got going on over there with the Supra that he's working on, and then he'll send this back here to Texas. And that's what's great about the Supra community, is that we're willing not only to share information, but parts as well, to help each other out, because after all, he did give me my dream Supra. So it's only fitting that I help him out, fix the vehicle that he got going on, so someone else could have a dream car of their own. But like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Midnight Overdrive, the Big 10, is still on sale in Amazon. Link in the description below, and we'll see you on the next one.